Welcome to Antibes. It's so cute and so pretty here. It's locally referred to as Vieille Ville, which literally translates to Old Town. Here's an area full of cobblestone streets embellished with fountains, harbors, crêperies, and shops selling gelato mixed with fresh fruit. In Old Town, you'll discover Fort Carré and the iconic Picasso Museum. We're really happy right now. Plage de la Gravette. We finally found where we want to be in Antibes. So cute! We're finally really in the south of France. There's not more a quintessential activity to do in the French Riviera than sunbathing on a beach or drinking rosé at a beach club. Some beaches are free, like Plage de la Gravette, which is situated next to Fort Carré, so you can enjoy the view of the fort while sinking your body in the warm waters of the south. Other popular ones near Old Town are Plage de la Salise and Plage du Ponteil. We're a little bougie right now, but you know what? We deserve it just to be on a little bit of a vacation without work. For private beach clubs, we really loved La Jetée, where you can order a bottle of rosé and hang out on lounge chairs where you can sunbathe while diving into the ocean for a fun splash. Le Comptoire de la Tourraque is a cozy spot unlike the typical beachside eats or upscale haute French cuisine restaurants spotted throughout Antibes. This unpretentious local gem changes its menu 3 times a week to properly incorporate seasonal produce and ingredients to its bistronomique dishes, meaning that each plate is prepared with bistro simplicity approach combined with gourmet concept. Located quite close to the Picasso Museum, this restaurant also makes a lovely stroll along the coastline. Juan-les-Pins boasts a glamorous history since Scott Fitzgerald resided in a villa by the sea here during the 1920s. Nowadays, it has lost its former glitz, but it remains as a fabulous area to shop, from luxury boutiques of local and international designers to jewelries made by artisans on the promenade. You'll definitely find something unique to bring home. If day drinking on the beachfront isn't enough, then stay in the area of Juan-les-Pins for several popular bars and clubs on the Riviera with DJs spinning through the night with a younger but hipper crowd.